Crusaders Drama Line Course. Principal, Felisa Paz O. Carwal. Band Coordinators, Rosa L. Noliel and Leslie Corañez. Band Masters, Eugenio Midel and Alfonso Mystica. Number of members, 49. They were established last school year 2020. Achievements, on February 23, 2025, at Penambenga Flower Festival, Invitational Parade Drum and Lyre Performers of KFC Philippines. On December 18, 2024, Sangguniang Barangay, Barangay 176, Pasig Laban 2024, Drum and Lyre Competition at Barangay 176, Bagong Silang, Caloocan City. Best Color Guards, Champion, SK Pasig Laban 2024 with cash prize. On March 1, 2025, PSPTA First Action at Malasakit Drum and Lyre Competition at Camarin DES, Caloocan City. Champion with cash prize. Best in Drumline, Best in Mallet, Best in Color Guards, Best in Marching, Best in Costume, Best in Thrillers, Best in Conductors. On March 2025 at CCD Live First Drum and Lyre Course Show and Go 2025 at Silangan ES Caloocan City Junior Category. Gold Proficiency Award, Best in Music, Best in Mallets. Everyone, let's welcome Silanganan Elementary School Crusaders Drum and Lyre Course.
Napunta sa ano?
Okay lang.
Vloggeris tayo. Nandun sa unahan. Kaya kailangan nyo ng video, nandun sa unahan.
Bagong cellphone niya.
Doon sa jowa ko. Kanina pa yan. Wala kaya nagbibideo. Ultimate Italian.
Dito po pwesto mo.
Sir Midel.